Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. So go on coupons.com like I do every single day, and there is some new coupons to print, plus there are some coupons that have reset. So if you guys are interested, definitely go ahead and do that. Now I do tell you guys to print your coupons from Swagbucks, and if you guys print it off from a different browser, go to My Points. I am actually starting to redeem my points to get a free Christmas. They do take a couple days to get if you guys do redeem it. But I'm just saying, hey, you guys get paid to print coupons, and then you also get points when you redeem those coupons in the stores. So just trying to help you guys out with that, but I think this is awesome. Do it. I do have a referral link for both things that you guys can click below if you guys want to. But otherwise, yeah. So let me just share with you guys new coupons to print. So they did add, I think this is, I showed you guys this the other day, but it was $1 off any Quaker single cups. So I'm going to print that off again just because I can. Listerine, $1 reset for that. The Suave $1 kids and the $1 off men's, those reset. We also got another Quaker, $1 off at 2. I'm going to print that off because I'm really liking oatmeal lately. These Smacks, this actually reset for me for the 3rd time. If you guys want to go ahead and print that. The Degree ones are still available. Not many people are printing those off. They usually limit certain coupons, and that's why they always disappear, because they only have certain limits. But, yeah. Maserati Veggie Dip is $1 off that. Now this is a new coupon, $3 off Crave dog or cat food. We got Emerald, $1 off that, so that is a new coupon. And then I'm going to kind of just show you guys new coupons that I printed, I think yesterday, that are still available if you guys want to do that. If you guys are watching for my Ibotta haul today at Walmart, I am not going to Walmart today. I feel like there's not a lot of deals, and I have a lot of stuff that I need to get done at home, and me couponing takes a lot of time out of my day when I could be cleaning. So sorry about that, but I'm just scrolling to the bottom. Now they did add $1 off at Ben & Jerry's Pint. They also did $1 off Perel, and then they also have $1.50 off any bag of cookie dough that they did add. So those were new coupons to print, I think, yesterday. So definitely print those, guys, if you guys haven't. But again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.